That's just the way it goes. Gotta go and give it all you go. That's just the way it goes. Gotta go and give it all you go.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Hot Chocolate Fitness in for another leg session with you. Leg day, I'm not gonna lie, mainly squats. It's a love-hate relationship, and since my knee has been giving me trouble since last week after I told you about the bus incident, it's feeling way better this week. And I wore a knee sleeve just to be sure. Ooh, look at my sweet, sweet booty up in here. Getting them booty gains, glutes getting activated. What I did for this workout is 290 was for the first set, 310 is the second set right here, and the last set was 320. So we're feeling good, and I always feel strong on triples. So I might even do a program where I just do nothing but triples. I don't know why. I love doing triples to get stronger. It's just really empowering, and you don't have to do a lot of sets. And I'm feeling good about my squats. And with that being said, my accessory work for this week is I decided to get some hip thrusters in there, which I've never did before, and that was different doing those. I also do deadlifts, and we did some Pendlay rows. So I like to switch up my accessories to where I'm doing my back accessories on my leg day, and then for my chest, I do my shoulder accessories, and vice versa. So it makes me get even more of a full body workout. Now with this is my food porn, which I decided I felt like making some cauliflower wings. And basically what I did is I made a batter, put some cauliflower in there, dipped it in there, and then baked it for a couple minutes, and voila, wings. And feeling good. These are macro friendly, and if you're cutting weight, those can really help you out because cauliflower is not that many calories in that, and I use buckwheat for my batter, for the flour, so my food porn, it was so good. And next time I'm going to make my own ranch dressing, but that's just the way I veganize my wings. So if I want to have wings on the Super Bowl, which sadly I'll probably have to work on the Super Bowl while everybody else gets to go out or gets to watch the game at their friend's house, I'm busy at work making food for people. So that's just the life of what I do. So hope everybody's doing good, lifting hard, getting stronger, and eating good food, because you only live one life, and there's no point in stressing about macros all the time unless you're going to enjoy some food too. Flexible diet if you don't do something. Eat. All right. Talk to you guys later. Peace.